What's up, everyone?
What's up, everyone?
What's up, everyone?
It's Tim, and I'm back to show you my latest project. It makes use of two recent additions to CircuitPython, the Audio I2SN and Granular Pitch Shift modules. This project is a DIY sampling keyboard inspired by the Casio SK1. It runs on the Adafruit Fruit Jam and uses an I2S microphone, USB-powered speakers, and a USB MIDI keyboard. You can record any sample you want and then play it back at different pitches using the keys on the keyboard. Python.
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 Python. Python. Python. Python. Python. Python. Python. Python. Python.
You can also play full songs using automated MIDI file playback.
Wake up, 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 wake up,
You can find this guide and many others at learn.adafruit.com.